A doggy dog says woof, woof, woof. Running round the yard with lots of swoosh, wagging tail and jumping high. Happy puppy loves the sky. Kitty cat says meow, meow, meow. Walking softly, take a bow. Chasing yarn all day long, Kitty sings a purring song. 1-3 cow says moo, moo, moo. Cow in the field says moo, moo, moo. Chewing grass the whole day through, black and white and big and kind. Cow is gentle all the time. Top 4 sheep says ba, ba, ba. Little white sheep says ba, ba, ba. Jumping over hills, ha, ha, ha. Soft and fluffy like a cloud. Sheep sing softly, never loud. Gretch 5 horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Brown tall horse says neigh, neigh, neigh. Gallops fast all through the day, strong and steady, big and bright. Horse rides happily in the light. Chick 6 chicken says cluck, cluck, cluck. Chicken hen says cluck, cluck, cluck. Pecking corn, good luck, good luck. Feathers shining in the sun. Chicken song is full of fun. Omega 7 elephant says pow, pow. Elephant says pow, pow. Big long trunk and a jumbo view, stomping round the jungle deep. Elephants sway when they sleep. Koi 8 lion says roar, roar, roar. Lion King says roar, roar, roar. Walking proudly on the forest floor, golden mane and eyes that glow. Lion moves soft, steady and slow. 29 monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Monkey says ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah. Swinging from the tree so high, jumping, laughing all around. Monkey never hits the ground. Chunky 9 monkey says munch, munch, munch. Panda bear goes munch, munch, munch. Eating bamboo at lunchtime and brunch, round and fluffy, black